Hey, like, comment, subscribe. You already know what it is.
Sir.
High beams, baby.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the vlog. I'm back at the home garage. Got the cars outside. Newest addition to the family, CX-5. But yeah, got the cars outside. Doing a little something to the S2000, and I decided to vlog today. So today we're gonna make some cosmetic changes to the S2000. Yeah, not much has changed. I will go through maybe some of the stuff that I did last year, but the latest addition, you hop into the interior. Oh, you can see that new shift knob, a little bit different. I'll show you guys more about that later. First step in today's job, gotta pop open the hood. I know it's been a while, but the engine bay did change from last year. Look at that. Got the new strut bar, coil rad, radiator hoses. But yeah, this engine bay looks sick. Next, we gotta remove these things right here. Like that. Okay, so now I got the front bumper off. I removed the screws and everything. Front bumper just came off. This is what it looks like. A few days ago, I had an incident where I lost my fender liner, so I gotta put that back. And then my HID bulb over here is dead, and the signal bulb is dead. So gonna take care of all of that, and we're getting rid of this. So right now the car is looking like a skeleton, but this can give you a sneak peek on the front fitment. Look at the camber over there. Look what's going on inside. Sometimes I can't get over this fitment. Just a little bit of a gap, that's just enough. And then it clears everything. No rubbing, even tire wear. Perfect. So this is where we're at now. I got the car up in the air. Got the jacks, got everything. Got my handy rigid. About to take off the wheel and do some inspection. Looks like we got a little bit of damage when the fender liner just flew off. But yeah, all the wires exposed. Let's take care of it. Got the wheel off. Here's where we're at. As you can see, all these wires are exposed. And this kind of scares me because the wires are just hanging out there. And if I didn't have the fender liner, I feel like a rock can do its damage. So I think I'm gonna tape this up a little bit. And we're gonna change that signal bulb, get it to work. And then some of the mods that I've done to this car last year, we got a new upper ball joint. We have new front coilovers, T1R, we went stiffer. And then as you can see here, we got the J's Racing lower ball joint, and that made a world of a difference. We got steering rack spacers, 20mm over there. Then I got a fresh alignment, so that made a world of a difference for this car. Transformed the way it drives, and I'm really enjoying it on this setup. You can also see a few more goodies. You see the coil rad, we got a spoon, thermal fan switch. You see the radiator hose over there. And I also went ahead and put in a spoon thermostat. So this car is all set up, ready to go. Cooling mods, suspension mods. Secretly a perfect street car. Alright, so I had to take a little bit of a detour because the signal bulb I bought ended up being the wrong one. So I finally found the right one. And I put everything back together. New signal bulb is in. I put the HID in as well, so we're good. Now it's just time to put back the fender liner. I got my plastic clips. As you can see, it's labeled Honda, Acura, some are GM, Chrysler, Ford. So we're gonna follow it, put it back. A few hours later, now it's pretty dark. I know you can't see right now, but this is the latest project. It's sitting right here. This is a new bumper I just picked up. I'm gonna be trading the front end of this car. I know it's dark. We'll probably look at it tomorrow when it's brighter, but this is the latest bumper, KBD bumper. I found it used, and I think it's gonna look sick on the S2000. So it is the next morning. Now it's finally daytime. It's nice and sunny. The car is outside. Here's how it sits. So the car actually looks so sick. It looks so aggressive with this bumper. The built-in lip helps. It makes it look low and aggressive. I'm gonna be honest, the fitment of this bumper is not the greatest. It kind of doesn't really line up. Like you can see that right there. Look at the gap on the hood. Everything like that. So it needs some work. It needs to be adjusted. It's not perfect. That's exactly what I expected. It's KBD, no high expectations. I got the bumper for pretty cheap, and I just wanted something new other than the AP2. So I think it looks sick. It needs to be adjusted, but maybe it can work. But yeah, 10 feet away, you wouldn't even know. This car looks sick. So today we're actually gonna head to a little car meet. It's actually Father's Day. They're hosting a little event, and I'm gonna bring this car and yeah, have some fun. Enjoy the summer vibes while we can. So we're heading to the car meet. I feel like it's been a while since I recorded myself inside the car. But yeah, we're on the on-ramp. Lots of traffic today on a Sunday. Hopefully I can get some nice driving in. It's downshift. So this car is full bolt-ons, header, exhaust, everything. Been a while since I hit VTEC. Let's try again. Woo! Never fails.
Hey, like, comment, subscribe. You already know what it is.
Sir.
High beams, baby.
Guns the barber, like, comment, subscribe. You already know.
Reciprocation.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
go.
Shout out each other.
Here.
Made it here to the car meet. Shout out to Breakfast Club. You know what I'm saying? Cool little event. It's pretty calm.
Yeah.
Nice Sunday, Father's Day. Just having a good time. So this is TJ's car, Guns the barber. Nice blue interior in the S15, N style, 326 power. Pretty cool car. Nice chaser. Shout out to John. Here's where I'm parked up. Not too bad, like I said, 10 feet away. Bagged Macan, this looks so cool. Camaro SS, AMG GTR, or AMG GT, NSX. And then they got the play place for the kids. It's cool. Ooh, look at the regulars. The gold spoon. That's different. Yeah, I think today we got all types of flavors. You see the Challenger on bags. Nissan. Got the STI corner. And even this 180. Even got some exotics today, a Ventador. I would love to experience a V12, just once, maybe twice. GTR, yeah, a few exotics. Okay, real quick, something I've been working on, I gotta show you guys. So as I was saying, High Beams prototype shift knob. This is a weighted shift knob, CNC stainless steel. We got the laser etched logo. I believe it's 4 inches. The weight is like 533 grams, and it's pretty heavy. Feels good. I'm pretty excited about this prototype. The shape was kind of mimicked to be like a baseball bat. So you got the length, you got the tallness, and it's weighted. So yeah, right now we're in the testing phase. And hopefully soon after testing, if it's good, it can be into production. Don't know how he drives like that, but
what? Come on.
Look at the back.
Oh yeah. So he's planning on raising it and putting a tow hitch.
Yeah, for the scooter. For the scooter.
Time to call it a day. Got the silver cars remaining. Bumper is looking good. 10 feet. Shout out to John for testing out the shift knob. Got one there. One here. Sick. Finally leaving the show. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. It's been a while. maybe on the next one we'll talk more about the S2000 and what I've done to it. But yeah, it's been a fun day. It's been a fun time. It's been nice to get back vlogging again. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.